Hello students, now again we are here for one more GK class and our topic is spices. Spices are called masalas in Hindi. Spices and herbs are used to add taste, color and flavor to food. A spice is a seed, fruit, root, bark or other plant substance primarily used for flavoring, coloring or preserving food. Spices are sometimes used in medicine, religious rituals, cosmetics or perfumes. Spices give aroma, color, flavor and sometimes even texture to food. Each spice, child or herb has a specific unique chemical compound that create these sensual qualities. Even casual cooks are probably able to identify the four most well-known flavor profiles: sweet, salty, sour and bitter. So now we will study about some spices. The first one is cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice obtained from the inner bark of several tree species from the genus Cinnamomum. Cinnamon is used mainly as an aromatic condiment and flavoring additive in a wide variety of cuisines, sweet and savory dishes, breakfast, cereals, snack food, tea and traditional food. The aroma and flavor of cinnamon derive from its essential oil. Now the next one is chili. The chili has a pungent smell and is red in color. The chili is the fruit of a plant from the genus Capsicum, which are members of the nightshade family. Chili are widely used in many cuisines such as spice to add heat in the dishes. The another one spice is cloves. Cloves are obtained from dried flower head of a tree. They are native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia and are commonly used as a spice. Cloves are available throughout the year due to different harvest seasons in different countries. Cloves are one of the highly prized spices, widely recognized all over the world for their medicinal and culinary qualities. The spice birds are actually the flower birds from an evergreen rainforest tree native to Indonesian Spice Islands. The next one spice is fenugreek. It is obtained from the dried ripe fruits of an annual plant. It is cultivated worldwide as a semi-arid crop. Its seeds and leaves are common ingredients in dishes from the Indian subcontinent. Fenugreek seeds have a healthy nutritional profile containing a good amount of fiber and minerals, including iron and magnesium. The another one is turmeric. It is obtained from aromatic root or rhizome of a plant. It has a characteristic yellow color. Turmeric is used as a coloring and flavoring agent in many Indian cuisines, especially for curries as well as for dyeing. Turmeric powder has a warm, bitter, black pepper-like flavor and earthy mustard-like aroma. The spice has been used for its medicinal, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Now the next one spice is mace. Mace is one of those spices we may all have heard of but are not really sure what it is. It is actually the lacy reddish covering on the nutmeg seed. This lacy aril, which is red, is removed by hand from the outer shell of the nutmeg and then dried, becoming a yellowish brown spice. Mace flavor is described as a combination of cinnamon and pepper and a more pungent version of nutmeg. It is used in baked goods, particularly donuts and cakes, as well as in custards. Now the another one spice is mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are the small round seed of various mustard plant. They are an important spice in many regional foods and may come from one of three different plants: black mustard, brown Indian mustard, or white yellow mustard. Mustard seeds are rich in a nutrient called selenium, known for its high anti-inflammatory effects, and it is the high source of magnesium. Now the last one spice is saffron. Saffron is a dried stem of the flower of crocus plant. It is deep orange in color and is very expensive. Saffron is a spice made from the stigma of the flower of the saffron plant. The spice is used in cooking as a seasoning and as a food coloring. Saffron has a bitter taste and smells like hay.